Imagine a world where the ice is gone. I'm not talking about some far-off dystopia. I mean our world, just 2 years from now. That's the brutal reality scientists are warning us about. We're on a countdown and time's almost up. Leading climate experts just dropped the bombshell. We have only 2 years before we burn through the planet's safe carbon budget. After that, we're locked into a future of 2.7 degrees Celsius of warming, almost double what world leaders promised in the Paris Agreement. In my novel, The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn, they call this the Great Melt. A world where glaciers are just a rumor, forests are charcoal, and there's only one green sanctuary left. Now, here's the gut punch. Almost 40% of the world's glaciers are already doomed because of the pollution we've already put out there. If we don't slam on the brakes, up to 75% could vanish in our lifetime. Think about it. Glaciers aren't just pretty postcards, they feed rivers and lakes for over 2 billion people. When the ice goes, so does clean water, food, and the stability of entire cities. And it gets worse. The melting glaciers trigger disasters. Rock slides, floods, even ancient diseases waking up from the ice. Just weeks ago, a Swiss glacier collapsed, wiping out a village and costing hundreds of millions. This isn't science fiction, this is the news. In Ròna's world, from The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn, this chaos is just daily life, and it's quickly becoming ours too. Here's the hard truth. Even if we manage to limit warming to 1.5 degrees, the glaciers will keep shrinking for centuries. But every fraction of a degree we save, every bit of carbon we don't burn, means trillions of tons of ice, and billions of lives are spared. Like Ròna, each of us has a part to play. We're the guardians now. And what we do today matters for everyone who comes after us. Look, The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn isn't just a story, it's a warning shot. It's a prophecy about what happens if we keep plundering the planet for profit and ignore the ticking clock. But it's also a story about hope, about fierce love, and fighting back against those who take it all. I invite you to ride with Ròna. Read it today, free or for a limited time, and join the movement. Save the mother before it's too late.